Well, once again, here we are. Joe Blair here, keeping it real in Thailand, fixing my TC Helicon Play Electric. Quite a while ago, good lord, I'd say 6 months ago, it stopped working properly. Little switch here. I ended up breaking the shaft inside here where it turns 360 degrees, and it changes, go into this level here and then change the level. You have to use this potentiometer to move that up and down, to move these levels. So right now I'm stuck. I've been stuck. Haven't been able to do a thing. So finally it came in. It's not the exact, like everything else here in Thailand, it's not the exact same one. This is a pole. So these two I will not use. These two prongs I will not use. I will cut them off. What I'm more interested in is just these three right here that will go into the board here. And these two are just to solder it onto the board. And you'll see once I take the board out what it looks like. And I'm hoping I can change all the parameters again, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. So let's get to it. Let's just take her apart. Got it back together. I put that piece on. It was really complicated, so it was pissing me off filming and doing it at the same time. So let's just say I got it in there, got it on the board. The board's kind of warped. It's not fitting flush like it should be, but you can see I can make the changes with the. Okay, so let's say vocal effects. I go to the level here and I want to increase it. You can see that it's working now. It'll go up and down. And that's basically all I wanted it to do. So there we go. So now I can go around and then change the parameters of all the effects I have. And that's basically it. Hopefully it's going to last a while. We'll see what happens, because I put it in and the new one is a little thicker, and it's causing the circuit board to bow a bit. See what happens. Oh well. Keeping it real in Thailand. At least it's working. Well, at least it's fixed. See how it works. Sultans of Swing.